Hi there! In this brief video, we're addressing one of the most frequent inquiries we receive. What should you do when the chat option is missing? Chats in Desk Director operate on a ticket-based system. This means that when you initiate a chat, a ticket is automatically created. Alternatively, you can start a chat on an existing ticket. To enable chats from an existing ticket, you simply need to grant the chat permission globally, per company or per contact. However, on the Contact Support page, there are two specific settings required for the chat option to function. Firstly, ensure that the Enabled Chat permission is activated. Secondly, make sure that the pre-ticket chat setting is enabled. Without both settings enabled, the chat option will not appear on the Contact Support page. That's all for understanding chats in Desk Director. Stay tuned for more tips and insights.